Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on Honor Tab 8. So on this device we don't have a Google Lens feature, so we have to do it in the other way. In the first step, open the web browser, then tap on the search bar and look for the google.com and open it. Now very important step, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now click on the little camera icon and tap on the upload a file. Choose the allow and select the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one for example. Now click on the done and whole process starting automatically, and you are creating the next WhatsApp application. Sorry, we are looking for the same image in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.